Hello guys, welcome to my channel Smart and Savory. Today in this video we'll learn some basic shortcut in Word document. So let's begin our Word document part 1 journey. I'm using here WPS Office instead of Microsoft because we know most of time Microsoft Word documents need license to work, and in WPS we can do Word without any hassle. Here I am taking one AI made paragraph to use on our Word document. Just need to copy and paste it to our document and we can begin our learning. Let's first learn how to save file. It's easy and we can simply do it by typing Ctrl+S on our keyboard. Then if we need to close the file, we can type Ctrl+W on the keyboard. If you want to find any text in document, simply type Ctrl+F.